In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map Google Drive in Windows 10 or 11 in just a few minutes. We'll guide you through each step so you'll be able to access your Google Drive files just like any other folder on your computer. This can significantly improve your workflow, enabling you to manage your files more easily and efficiently, whether you're working on documents, spreadsheets, or large media files. Mapping your drive also helps reduce the hassle of constantly opening a web browser to access your files, keeping everything accessible directly from your desktop. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage at drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account to access the files you want to map. Once you're on the homepage, locate the New button on the upper left side of the page and click on it. This button usually lets you add new files or create new folders, but today we're looking for something different. After clicking New, a menu will appear with several options. Move your cursor down and click on More, which gives you access to additional Google Drive functionalities that aren't immediately visible. From the More submenu, select Google My Maps. This part of Google Drive allows you to create and edit personalized maps, which can be useful for various mapping tasks and gives you a visual way to manage and organize your files. Once Google My Maps opens, click on Create a New Map. While this may seem unrelated to accessing files on your Google Drive, it's an integral step in the process to set up your drive correctly on Windows. This method ensures that all of your cloud files are connected directly to your computer, making it easier to organize, search, and even work offline if needed. Following these steps ensures that your Google Drive will be recognized like a regular drive by Windows, giving you seamless access to your files across different applications and platforms. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated Google Drive's interface and mapped your drive to Windows 10 or 11. This setup makes handling your files straightforward and efficient, saving you time in your daily tasks. If you need to, you can revisit any step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Over time, this method can also help you maintain better file organization and prevent accidental file duplication. Additionally, having Google Drive mapped to Windows allows you to drag and drop files directly from your desktop into the cloud, speeding up your workflow even further. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Now that your Google Drive is mapped, enjoy the convenience it brings to your workflow, daily file management, and overall productivity. Happy Google Driving!